So we can have switches within loops and loops within switches as well. So for example, if I had a switch here which detected distance, okay? So if the distance is greater than or equal to, we can say 50 centimeters, okay? So that means if there is something greater than 50 centimeters away, then I might want to get my robot to do something. So I might want to get it to turn. Okay. So I'm going to get it to turn, and that should make it turn. Okay. That'll only do it once though, don't forget. So I would then need to put it within a loop. Okay. So if I put the stop block in there, okay, what would happen now is if there's something greater than 50 centimeters away, well, there's nothing greater than within the distance of 50 centimeters, then it would start turning. I'll put that on minus 50. It will start turning to the right. Left motor's on 50% forwards power, right motor is on 50% reverse power, negative 50. So it's going to start turning to the right or in a clockwise fashion. Now, if something comes within that 50 centimeters, then that's no longer true. Okay, there's not something greater than 50 centimeters away; it's less than 50, so it would stop. So wherever there's something in front of it, it will stop, and if there's nothing within 50 centimeters, it will turn. Okay, and that will do that forever. Okay. And you can have multiple switches within switches and all sorts of other things happening. Okay, so if I wanted to put that within a switch, okay, so say my color sensor, I'm detecting maybe some other cases here. So if I'm detecting black on my color sensor, we could do this action, and then it would go on and do the other switch within that. If I'm detecting red, okay, we could have some other actions that are going on in there. I could go forward one rotation, and if it's neither red nor black, I could make that the default case, as we could just stop, or we could go backwards, as an example. Okay, but don't forget, those won't, if it goes down that decision there, it will just end. So we'd need to put all of this in a loop as well. So all of that would then go in the loop as well. Okay. There you go, that's loops and switches advanced.